Imagine if you can create product images like this with just a single prompt. Normally, this would take you hours to edit on Photoshop, but today I'm going to prove to you that with just Nano Banana, we can turn random product images into pure masterpieces. I actually downloaded product images randomly from Google, and I'm about to convert each one of them to something extraordinary. The first one here is this Coca-Cola drink. I'll be using this exact prompt right here, and don't worry, if you want access to this prompt, I will leave the link in the description. You will get this prompt and every other prompt I use in this video. Now let's head over to Google AI Studio. Of course, we are using Nano Banana. I will enter the prompt and boom, this is the result. You can see for yourself, I get more than what I was expecting. According to the prompt, this is perfect, but let's not stop here. I will further prompt this result to see what more Nano Banana can give us. Alright, so I will enter the new prompt, click send, and I will wait for the results. Wow, this is even more than a masterpiece. Honestly, these results are blowing my mind right now. Turning this into video content will be total insane. Now let's move to the second product image, this Nike shoe. I want to convert this shoe into something premium, a masterpiece. So I'll be giving Nano Banana this exact prompt. I will enter the prompt and wait for the results. Now look at this mind-blowing result right here. I'm not done. I want to take it further. Let's put the shoe on someone's foot. So I already have the perfect prompt for that, and I have the image for that. So I will upload both images and enter the prompt and wait for the results. So I don't believe how perfect this shoe fits on this leg. Nano Banana is really blowing me away. So the third product is this canned drink. I want to make it look chilled and super attractive. Here is the prompt I will be using, and again, if you want access to all my exact prompts, just check the description. You will get everything. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more AI updates like this. I will enter the prompt with the image and wait. See this result. It is so cool already, but let's do better. What if a model holds the drink? I actually have an image of this athlete right here, so I will combine both images with a new prompt, and now look at this result. Wow, more than extraordinary. Nano Banana is really taking product design to another level, and if you want me to test more prompts and show you step by step how to use this tool properly, click this video popping on your screen for another mind-blowing result from Nano Banana. See you on the next one.